Just as the Milky Way galaxy revolves around a powerful center, and just as the Tai Chi symbol's core is the point where yin and yang meet, your home also has a crucial, singular point of energy that governs the entire space. This place is the Tai Chi point of your home, its very heart. In Feng Shui, the Tai Chi point refers to the geometric center of the entire dwelling. It is where all energies converge, balance, and are then redistributed. The condition of this point directly impacts the health, emotions, and overall harmony of all occupants. An open, clean, and stable center point allows the qi to circulate smoothly within it, like a strong heart, evenly pumping life force energy to every corner. Conversely, if the center point is weighed down by heavy objects, or is located in a place of impurity like a bathroom, the heart of the home weakens, and the energy circulation becomes blocked. This can easily lead to health problems for family members, or a feeling of being unable to truly relax, even at home. So, how do you find and nurture this heart of your home? Rule 1. Find the center. Take out your home's floor plan. Try to draw a regular rectangle or square that encloses it. Then draw 2 diagonal lines. The intersection of these lines is the approximate Tai Chi point of your home. Rule 2. Keep this area open and calm. The best date for the central area of a home is to have nothing placed in it, leaving it as a passageway. We call this the central palace. You should strongly avoid having load-bearing walls, heavy furniture, or stairs located here. Rule 3. What if the center point, unfortunately, falls in a bathroom? A bathroom is a source of draining, turbid energy. When it sits on the heart, the impact is particularly severe. You can place a bowl of coarse sea salt in the bathroom, changing it regularly. Salt can absorb moisture and negative energy. Also, hang a heavy curtain on the bathroom door to block the turbid energy from leaking out as much as possible. The heart of your home is the energetic symbol of your family's unity. A healthy and vibrant center point is the cornerstone of creating a harmonious, stable, and loving family atmosphere. Take some time to find and care for this core of your home. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will enter a grand and fascinating topic with a historical touch. Thank you for watching.